Please stand by for important weather information.
The National Weather Service in St. Louis has issued a tornado warning for central Warren County in east central Missouri, central Franklin County in east central Missouri, western St. Charles County in east central Missouri, until 3:25 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 2:21 p.m. Central Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado. This dangerous storm located near Sullivan, or 35 miles southwest of Wildwood, and moving northeast at 60 miles per hour. This dangerous storm will be near New Haven around 2:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time, Union, Washington, and Marthasville around 2:56 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Do not take shelter under highway overpass.